Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good,
Hi guys, I know the vacation countdown has begun and you've been shopping for a month to get ready for it. And now comes the part that nobody likes, packing. Haven't already seen FASHIONABLE Designs has an all-new service that is perfect just for your vacation. Pack Like a Pro is more than just a standard packing checklist. Anybody can do that, right? Yes, Pack Like a Pro does include a checklist because that is important, but you also get a daily schedule so that you can map out all the outfits that you are going to wear according to the activity you're going to be doing. Pack Like a Pro not only includes a list of those essential items that are always forgotten, but you also get a packing timeline to make sure that you get those items back from the dry cleaner and repair shop in order to get them into your bag for your vacation. So what makes FASHIONABLE Designs Pack Like a Pro different from all the rest is the 2 full-length videos that give you step-by-step instructions on how to pack your bag, including difficult items like how to pack hats. Now, to kick off the launch of this new service, FASHIONABLE Designs is offering an 85% discount for a very limited time. So click the link in the description box and head on over to the FASHIONABLE Designs website and get your copy of Pack Like a Pro today. And until next time, you better believe it. Bye!
Like a narration, don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.